Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to block suggested posts on Instagram. Now, a lot of people have been hating recently on suggested posts, right? And I don't blame you, right? It's really, it's not good. It's just going, on your feed and you don't want it, right? So this is how you can remove it the simplest way possible. So the first thing that you can do is we can go to Instagram here. We can tap on Instagram logo and click on following, and this way we will only view the content that we are currently following, right? And we are not going to be viewing suggested posts. So this is the first kind of way that you can do this, right? Now obviously if you scroll down and let's say on Instagram, if you scroll down and if someone suggested a post for you, for example, if we go scroll down here and if we find a suggested post, for example, let's see. Now, as you can see here, Instagram suggested the post for us. So what we can do is we can go to three dots and we can go report or not interested. I would definitely go to not interested, and that will remove this post. And as you can see, don't suggest posts related to Black Success Club right in your feed, and that will block this post from going back to us, right? And that will block suggested posts on Instagram. So these are the two ways that you can use to block suggested posts on Instagram. Now it's really simple. And again, it works in 2022. Now, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below and I'll make sure to answer all of your questions. And yeah, thank you for watching.